Google Bard has introduced a new feature I wasn't sure anyone was aware about with YouTube, where it can actually view YouTube videos and give you information. So on this video, I will say, can you summarize the following video? And I have provided a Vox video here. And what it's going to do is it's going to analyze that video on YouTube and actually return some text that summarizes it. Now you can also get other things from just summaries with videos. You can also capture key points or other information from Google Bard, but I think this is a very interesting feature, and I'm curious to see how far this goes. I think I would definitely use this instead of watching those 30-minute videos or 1 hour videos just to get a quick summary of what it is to see if it's even something I'm interested in. It's because sometimes, there's a simple explanation and then there's like an hour long of talk and more details, which is great, but sometimes people like me don't necessarily want to listen to all that and just get right to the conclusions. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks.